What are the best cryptocurrency exchanges? Cryptocurrency exchanges are online platforms that enable users to buy, sell, and trade digital currencies. These exchanges are a fundamental part of the global virtual currency market, allowing traders to access a wide variety of different cryptocurrencies. With the explosive growth in the popularity and market capitalization of cryptocurrencies, the number of crypto exchanges has grown exponentially. This has made it difficult for investors to decide which exchanges are best for their trading needs. In this video, we'll take a look at the top crypto exchanges and the features they offer. We'll also provide some tips to consider when choosing the best exchange for your trading strategy. Binance. Binance is one of the most popular cryptocurrency exchange in the world. It was founded in 2017 and has quickly become one of the largest crypto exchanges in terms of daily trading volume. Binance offers a wide range of features, including margin trading, lending, staking, futures trading, and more. It also has an impressive selection of coins and tokens, with more than 150 different digital assets. Coinbase. Coinbase is one of the oldest and most reputable cryptocurrency exchanges. It was founded in 2012 and was one of the first to offer Bitcoin trading. Coinbase has since expanded its services, offering a wide selection of coins and tokens as well as a variety of trading options, such as margin trading, staking, and more. Coinbase has also become known for its user-friendly interface, making it a great choice for both novice and experienced traders. BitMEX. BitMEX is a leading cryptocurrency derivatives exchange. It offers a wide range of futures and options contracts, allowing users to take advantage of the high leverage available in the cryptocurrency markets. BitMEX is a great choice for experienced traders, as it offers some of the lowest fees in the industry and an extensive selection of trading tools. Kraken. Kraken is another popular and long-standing crypto exchange. It was founded in 2011 and has become one of the most trusted exchanges in the industry. Kraken offers a wide selection of coins and tokens, as well as margin trading and futures trading. In addition, Kraken has some of the lowest fees in the industry and offers advanced trading tools, making it a great choice for both novice and experienced traders. Huobi. Huobi is a leading cryptocurrency exchange based in Singapore. It was founded in 2013 and has become one of the largest exchanges in terms of daily trading volume. Huobi offers a wide range of features, including margin trading, futures trading, and more. It also has an impressive selection of coins and tokens, with more than 150 different digital assets. KuCoin. KuCoin Exchange is a cryptocurrency exchange that offers a wide range of digital assets for traders. The exchange was founded in 2017 by a team of blockchain enthusiasts who had previously worked for Ant Financial, GF Securities, and MikeCRM. KuCoin Exchange has been referred to as the People's Exchange because of its commitment to providing users with a secure and user-friendly platform. KuCoin Exchange also offers margin trading and futures trading, allowing traders to take advantage of the volatile cryptocurrency markets. The KuCoin Exchange mobile app allows users to manage their funds, monitor their portfolios, and make trades from their mobile devices. The exchange supports over 200 cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and a variety of altcoins. AUX. AUX Exchange is an innovative cryptocurrency trading platform that is reshaping the way people trade and invest in digital assets. The exchange takes security seriously and provides multiple layers of protection for its users. The user interface is simple and intuitive, allowing users to quickly and easily place trades on the exchange. The exchange offers margin trading and leverage trading, allowing users to increase their potential returns. The AUX Exchange also provides a range of educational resources for users, including a blog, tutorials, and webinars. CEX. CEX Exchange is a London-based cryptocurrency exchange which has been in existence since 2013. The platform allows users to buy and sell digital assets such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and Bitcoin Cash. It also provides users access to a variety of other digital assets such as Ripple, Dash, Scash, and a number of other altcoins. The platform offers a variety of features for users to take advantage of, such as view market data in real time, set up stop-loss orders, and create and manage a portfolio of assets. CX Exchange also provides users with a secure wallet for storing their digital assets as well as a mobile app for easy access on the go. Bybit. Bybit is a cryptocurrency derivatives exchange that offers margin trading in BTC/USD, ETH/USD, EOS/USD, XRP/USD, and ETH/BTC trading pairs. It was launched in March 2018 and is based in Singapore. Bybit is a relatively new exchange that has become popular among traders due to its low fees, high liquidity, and a good user interface. Bybit also offers margin trading, which means that you can borrow money to increase your position size. Bybit also has an insurance fund that is used to provide protection against liquidations. Bybit has a great user interface, with an easy-to-navigate menu and clear tabs for trading, deposits, and withdrawals. Tips for choosing the right exchange. When choosing the best crypto exchange for your trading needs, there are a few important factors to consider. First, it's important to make sure the exchange is secure and reputable. It's also important to check the fees, as some exchanges charge higher fees than others. In addition, it's important to check the selection of coins and tokens offered by the exchange. Some exchanges have a limited selection, while others offer a wide range of coins and tokens. Finally, it's important to consider the features offered by the exchange, as some offer more advanced trading tools than others. Cryptocurrency exchanges are an important part of the global virtual currency market, allowing traders to access a wide variety of different cryptocurrencies. With the explosive growth in the popularity and market capitalization of cryptocurrencies, the number of crypto exchanges has grown exponentially. This has made it difficult for investors to decide which exchanges are the best for their trading needs. In this video, we've looked at the top crypto exchanges and the features they offer. We've also provided some tips to consider when choosing the best exchange for your trading strategy.